What if you could automate your Shopify's customer support? Well, let me show you how with Jotform's AI agents. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you want to automate some of your customer support systems, you can absolutely do that with Jotform's AI agents. Now, not only is this going to automate things for your customers, it's also going to automate some things for you as the Shopify admin. So first out of the gate, let's talk about some of the automation that can happen for your customers. So that way your AI agent is going to be answering questions on your behalf. So that way you can do other higher priority things. So as you can see, I am already in my Shopify store and we have Sophia, my AI agent, ready to go. She's in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on Sophia. And you can see there's already some buttons ready to go to help support me as the customer. We have exploring products, we have tracking orders. So let's start off with some product related questions. I'm going to ask about this Lemon Drop Mini right here. Let's see. What sizes is the Lemon Drop Mini available in? All right, we can see extra small all the way through extra large, and we can see here we can easily add to cart. So next, let's do some product recommendations. So I'm going to say I'm looking for some white heels to go with it. Let's see if it can recommend some white heels for us. Perfect. We have these Whisper Not mules that we can easily add to cart. Also offering some others, as well as a clutch to match those shoes as well. Now let's do some shipping questions. Let's do you ship internationally? Perfect. All those places is where we ship, which is perfect. So let's say, what if it doesn't fit and I need to exchange? Perfect. You can exchange within 30 days for a different size or color, as long as unworn, unwashed, and in original condition. Perfect. Now, as of right now, this conversation looks like it is before we have ordered. If your customers have already ordered, they can easily put in their order number and their email, and it'll tell them where their product is within the shipment timeline. So let's do, I'm going to scroll back up to the very top. Let's do track order. All right. So we're going to do 1003 and Lacey at example.com. All right, we can see the total number of items, what those items were, the total price, and that it was delivered. So you can see all of this is automation on the customer side. I'm actually going to jump over into my admin. On the left-hand side, I am in the AI agent settings. If we jump over to train your chatbot, we can click right here on manage knowledge, and it's going to open up the AI agent builder in Jotform. And so from here, you can add in whatever you need in order for your AI agent to answer all the questions, your privacy policy, your shipping policy. It's going to automatically look at your store. So if you already have those things in there, you shouldn't have to come over here. But if you want to add in more information, this is where you are going to do that. I'm going to come back over here. So a couple of things that I want to showcase for you as the Shopify admin is the conversations. So over on the left-hand side, we can come over here and we can view all of our conversations. And this is going to be where you can view all of your past conversations as well as conversations that are happening right now. So that way you never lose a conversation. All right, perfect. And on some of these, you can see that there is an AI summary, but if we click on view conversation, this is going to take us over into conversations within Jotform. So that way we can even take over. So we can see that I'm actually still here. That little green dot lets me know that this person is still here. They're still part of the conversation. So if I want, I can choose to take over and I can continue this conversation as a human instead of an AI agent. But from here, we can easily add tags or notes. So that way someone else who might be taking over for us, they can see all the things that have happened or some additional items that are pertinent to this conversation. Now, heading back over, if I choose my AI agent settings and we come back up to train your chatbot, if we come down, you can allow to create support ticket. So make sure this is turned on. We can come to view tickets, or in the bottom left hand corner you can click on it there, but this is going to take us over into Jotform Boards. So anytime there seems to be an issue or a concern that your customers have, it's going to drop these tickets in, and you can easily assign this to someone on your team. We can easily move it through, so that way we know where something is at all times. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how you can automate your customer service within Shopify with Jotform's AI agents, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.